In this video, I'm going to talk about the shipping message to your phone because recently some customer will ask me about the shipping check number, like DHL check number after we ship the hair out. But you just need to check your phone, pay attention. After we ship the hair out, normally you will receive a message from DHL on your phone. The message will be like this. You see here. Available options for this shipment, select one, your shipment. This one I already use a software to erase the check number. Here will be your check number. You will see the check number. You can see here, you have the option, change your delivery date. If you are not at home or you are not in the office or you are on vacation, you just change the delivery day, tell DHL what time you want them to deliver the item to you, or you can call them or you can change here. So normally you will receive this kind of message on your phone, but in case if you don't receive the message on your phone from DHL, you just let me know, ask me, then I will send a DHL check number to you, because every day very busy after we ship the hair out, and sometimes, and please forgive us, sometimes we don't have time to send a DHL checking number to you guys, and some people they will come to ask the number, then we will send the number to them. But normally you will receive this type of message from DHL on your phone. You once the thing you need to do is when you order the hair, you send us the mobile number. So when we ship the hair, we put the buyer information, we put your mobile number on paper. So DHL will send this message to you. It will show the DHL check number, and you can see you can change the delivery day if you want. But like I said, in case if you don't receive this kind of message, sometimes maybe they miss send it. You come and ask us, then we will send the number to you, because like I said, every day very busy. So this is how we operate the business. I will let you know every single detail about the shipment and the hair business here, just to let you know how we work, make it very clear for both of us. So I will see you in the next video.